How about this? It's got the little ridges on one edge. This here is a keyhole saw, generally used with drywall cutting. You can actually use this to cut and actually get inside the drywall, and because of the way it's shaped, you're able to make circular patterns with the keyhole saw with your hand. How about this? See that? It has a turning device in the middle. This is an adjustable wrench. An adjustable wrench used to adjust at the size that you need to turn nuts and bolts. An adjustable wrench. How about this? Slip joint pliers. These are slip joint pliers, and the reason why they call them slip joint pliers is because they have this joint or bolt in the middle that can actually be adjusted, where you open and close the pliers and adjust it to fit a wide grip or a closed grip. Closed grip was a wide grip, right? Or closed grip. Slip joint pliers. How about this? It's probably hard to see, but this is another screwdriver, but it's special because it has a star head, which you generally hear people talk about. This is a Phillips screwdriver that has a star head. It's probably a little hard. Let me hold it up to the camera. Maybe you can see it better. I don't know if that focus is there. You have a star bit. It's probably a little dark there, but this is a Phillips head screwdriver. How about these? Locking pliers. You used to see these when I was a kid with guys working on their bicycles. You actually adjust the pliers from down here at the bottom. There's a screw or a knob that turns, and you can actually lock the pliers around the nut or bolt of the wheels and turn the different bolts to take your wheel off a bike, or a whole lot of different applications, but locking pliers. How about this? This is not just any type of level, but they call this the torpedo level, I guess because of its size. So a torpedo level. And with the different bubbles that are represented inside, see that? You can actually tell if whatever you're installing, if it's level or not. If it's plumb, you also have another bubble in the middle. Or if it's on a 45 pitch, right? Depending on what the application is. Torpedo level. I know you know what this is. Pipe wrench. That's right. Pipe fitters, plumbers. Pipe wrench. Adjustable. You can adjust the actual size of the grip by the turning mechanism here on the side, making it bigger or smaller. Pipe wrench. How about this tool? You know what this is? This is a snap line. Snap line is also a construction related tool that actually snaps lines on material so that you can cut a straight line, whether you're using a circular saw or the keyhole saw that we talked about. You can actually, it has a little hook right here on the particular string. You go ahead and string it out one side to another, and you just snap the line. And it leaves you a line across the material that you want to cut. And that chalk, that's the chalk that comes in here, this is the actual space that you pour the chalk in. They have different colors chalk. You have black chalk, blue chalk, red chalk, neon orange chalk line. How about this? These are wire cutters, and you use these for electrical wires to strip the wire, to expose the copper portion of the wire when you actually wrap it around the receptacle or switch, so that it serves its purpose. So these are wire strippers. You could cut the wire cutter. Okay. So it serves several different purposes. And last but not least, how about this? You get a little closer there. This is a utility knife. A utility knife. You have to be very, very careful with these. Very, very sharp. Okay? And you use these for cutting material, utility knife. So those are all 20 items that will be represented in a workshop that you will be going through testing your knowledge. I hope you enjoyed. This is Coach Green Gene with the 3H Intro into Pre-Apprenticeship Workshop. Bye-bye. Again, this is Coach Green Gene with the 3H Pre-Apprenticeship Workshop. And we wanted to remind you to subscribe to our YouTube page, which is Coach Green Gene. Please subscribe to our YouTube page, share with a friend, like the page, like the videos, because they're free content on that site to actually enhance you to make connections into the world with your head, your hands, and your heart. We want you to make those sustainable pathways to open doors for yourself and also provide opportunities for the next generation. So we thank you, and we'll see you real soon in our 3H Intro to Pre-Apprenticeship Workshop.